Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this video, we're going to take a quick overview look at Module 2, Lesson 2, which covers single dimension arrays and the random class. So if we take a look at the code, you'll get a quick peek at what we're going to be doing here. Let me go ahead and run this program. You'll see it starts off by basically showing you how to declare and initialize a hard-coded array, and then it'll allow us to enter a number for the number of random numbers to generate. So let's say we do 10, and then it's going to generate a new array with 10 random numbers. So the random class is going to be a new coding construct that we learn how to use. And then it basically walks us through how to update and modify different elements of the array. So give me an index to overwrite. So let's say index 7, for instance, and we will put in 77. So you can see it overwrote index 7, and then a value to overwrite. It just looks for a certain value. So let's say 176. Says it found it, and we will overwrite that with 888. So again, it's basically showing us how to declare and initialize hard-coded arrays with constant data. It shows us how to declare and initialize arrays with random data in it, as well as iterating. You can see here iterating through and printing those arrays. So this example is mostly toy examples as a first exposure to arrays. You will see that there are functions in here and methods as well that really help make this code a lot more readable and maintainable. So please check out Hello Dr. Dan for the full tutorial of coding along with me from scratch. Hope to see you there.